Hamilton Street and Monroe Bay Avenue. You can see that the road is flooded and there are people. I have no idea what they're doing. Trying to check out their
Getting their stuff.
Their stuff out. So you want to be super careful coming through here. They're securing their stuff on their dock. See a little bit of that here. Also, you need to be careful driving through here. There could be washouts underneath the road, so it's probably a good idea to steer clear of here for a while. We're out here so that you don't have to be. Okay, we are at Robin Grove Lane and Monroe Bay Avenue at the Boathouse Marina, and we're waiting for someone to back out. Move along and show you the bay. We're still on the bay side. These are the boats in dry dock. You can see some of the water here. Keep going. Alright. The duck crossing might soon be a duck swimming area. This is Ball Street and Monroe Bay Avenue. So do not attempt. There's our little fire hydrant. You can see it. And give me one more look. Dock. And a piece of debris floating there. This is near the boat ramp, and that is all flooded, so you can't get through there. That's Monroe Bay Avenue again. Now, you got to remember the wind is going this way, so if it's this bad here, it's going to be even worse on the Potomac River side.